Hello. Sweden. Sweden is on the Scandinavian peninsula. It borders Norway to the west and Finland to the northeast. It is on the Baltic coast in the south and the Gulf of Bothnia in the east. Nobel Prize and Prize Winners Museum. Except for the Nobel Peace Prize, all the Nobel Prize ceremonies take place in Stockholm. Each laureate receives a gold medal, a diploma, and money. The Nobel Prize is in the fields of literature, medicine, physics, chemistry, peace, and economics. The Northern Lights. The Aurora Sky Station in the Abisko National Park. From here you can see the Aurora Borealis. Midnight sun. It never gets dark here. There is always daylight between the end of May to the middle of July. Activities. In Swedish Lapland, you can go climbing up the mountains, go downhill and cross-country skiing, fishing, canoeing, and river rafting, snowmobiling, cycling, dog sledding, have reindeer rides, and meet the Sami. This is the Tree Hotel in Luleå. This is inside. And this is the view. You can stay in the luxury Tree Hotel. This is situated near Luleå. It consists of a collection of luxury tree houses. These include the UFO, unidentified flying object, a room with a view, the mirror cube, the tree sauna, and the bird's nest. The Ice Hotel. It is located in Jukkasjärvi. It is the world's largest ice and snow hotel. It includes an ice church and an ice bar. It is constructed annually in November-December. It melts in April-May. The accommodation includes snow rooms, ice rooms, art suites. Here you can eat and drink from ice plates and ice glasses. You can sleep in bedrooms with -5 degrees centigrade. There are snowmobile excursions up to Sami. There are fishing trips, moose watching, ice sculpting, northern lights, dog sledging, and other excursions. Kostahavet. This is a marine national park in the Costa Islands. It is 2 hours north of Gothenburg. The location offers beautiful landscape with many different plants and flowers. The beaches are beautiful and the Costa Light has inspired many artists. You can see lobster, shellfish and seals. The sports are diving and sea kayaking. This island is 1 hour from Gothenburg, and it is Sweden's answer to Hollywood. It hosts the Stena Match Cup. This is Sweden's largest international sailing event. Here, royalty and celebrities visit. National food and national dress. Meatballs and fish are traditional food in Sweden. Swedish meatballs, smoked salmon, and the national dress. Schools and teaching. Education in Sweden is free. There are also private schools. Children can go to preschool from the age of 1. Children start compulsory school at the age of 7 to the age of 16. Grading does not start until the students are in 6th grade, age 13. Pupils have 9 years of primary school and then 3 years of secondary school. After this, the pupils can go for higher education or receive vocational education. The Öresund Bridge. This bridge links Sweden to Denmark. It is a 3-cable stay bridge which links Sweden to Denmark. It was opened in 2000. The bridge is nearly 8 meters long. It is the longest road and rail bridge in Europe. Bye-bye.